I made this hairstyle a few weeks back and close to a month anyways, and it cost me my edges as you can see, and I was so bitter about what to do to it. So I wanted to regrow it. So I threaded my hair like this and I started using this hair growth oil I'm going to be sharing with you guys. And few weeks, just a week after, the next picture you saw was what the hair oil did for me. So if this is what your hair looks like and you're trying to grow your hair, you are trying to stop this, don't worry about it, guys. This hair growth oil, I can beat my chest really hard for it because I used it and in 1 week that was the magic. Welcome to the channel, guys. Thank you so much for joining another video. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing this hair growth oil that worked the magic for me with you guys. So how many ingredients? Just 3 ingredients. That's all you need, and your favorite carrier oil. So I have with me here black seed, cloves, and fenugreek seeds. So this was the video that I lost the original clip. So in order to make up for the video, I just had to do this to make up for the video. So you are not going to see me at the point where I added the oil, but the oil I used for this hair growth oil is my regular carrier oil, which is olive oil. So if you want to make yours, you can use any carrier oil of your choice. You can use coconut oil, avocado oil, whichever oil it is that you like to use. So for the measurement, I took a tablespoon each for all the ingredients, which is fenugreek seeds, black seeds, which is also known as calogens. I don't know if I got that correctly, but anyway, black seeds, and also a tablespoon of cloves. So I went ahead to blend it just so that I can crush it to help with faster infusion. Now, to the benefits of each and every one of these ingredients, because it's important that you know the benefits of these ingredients. So I'm going to take my time to talk about the benefits of these ingredients because I didn't talk about it in the hair growth butter that I shared earlier on the channel. Now, to the benefits of fenugreek seeds. Fenugreek seeds are rich in iron and protein, two essential ingredients for hair growth. They also contain a unique composition of plant compounds, including flavonoids and saponins. These compounds are presumed to induce hair growth due to their anti-inflammatory and antifungal effects on the hair. So fenugreek seeds, like I already mentioned, are a rich source of iron and protein, which are two very important ingredients for hair growth. So I can tell you that this works really well. So if you're suffering from stunted growth, and you do not know what to use and you have tried a lot of things, I can tell you, try this hair growth oil and you will not regret it. Try it before you even say, oh, I've tried everything. Just go ahead and try it, and I can tell you it will work for you. Now, to the benefit of our next ingredient, which is cloves. Clove eliminates dandruff. So if you're suffering from dandruff and you have tried and tried, nothing is working for you, guys, please go ahead and try cloves for your hair. Cloves works like magic, okay? Cloves also help stimulate hair growth from the scalp. So if you are trying to stimulate hair growth from the roots of your hair, cloves would actually do the magic for you. Cloves prevent premature growing of the hair. It reduces hair fall. It adds shine to your strands, okay? And it also helps enrich the strands of the hair as well. Now, to the benefits of
Seeds
black
for the hair. Black seed curbs hair fall. It suits scalp condition, stimulates hair regrowth, condition and softens the hair. It promotes blood circulation. It also prevents premature graying. It is a very good hair treatment. Black seed oil and coconut oil goes very well together to apply on your hair. But anyway, for me, I do not add coconut oil to my carrier oil because I think it's not really great for my hair. Guys, do not think every carrier oil is great for every hair type.
So you might want to ask, how do I know a carrier oil that is great for my hair and the one that is not? Just when you use
any oil on your hair, the way your hair responds to the oil will tell you if it's great on your hair or not. When I use olive oil, it quickly helps condition my hair. When I use coconut oil, I feel like it dries my hair out, so I do not use it on my hair. I'm not saying it dries everybody's hair out, no, but then it dries some certain people's hair out. So that means it's not very great for your hair. You can try other oils to find out the one that works really well for you. So at this point, I'm going ahead to add in my essential oils. You guys already know them, but if you don't, let me go ahead and tell you. Peppermint oil, tea tree oil, eucalyptus essential oil, lavender essential oil, and there you have my essential oils. So I just went ahead to add each and every one of them into the mix. I stirred it up together and I went ahead to transfer into my container. So just like I was saying earlier in the video, I lost my edges, and this oil actually did play a role in helping me revive my hair back. So guys, if you are struggling with growing your hair, I don't know what you're waiting for. Just go ahead and start using this oil with just three ingredients. Without the essential oils, it's still going to do the same magic for you. I just keep on incorporating these essential oils in any of my hair care treatments because it's a part of my hair care routine, and also they also add nice fragrance to my DIYs as well. So that's basically it. For application of this oil, I did not add the clip anyways, but all you have to do is just to apply it to your scalp, give your scalp a very nice massage, and you're good to go. And in no time, you're going to see results with consistent use, okay? Not you using it for just 2 days. I did not use the oil for just 2 days to get the result that I got. I applied it consistently for 7 days to get the results you saw at the beginning of the video. So do well to apply the oil same way to get same results, and you won't regret it. Thank you so much guys for watching this video once again. See you guys in my next one. Bye bye. Share my videos and also do give thumbs up. Love you guys.